Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be covering the most common question which is asked to me based out of my last video which I have posted related to how I have pursued from a non-technical to a data analyst role. People are not asking me that how they can become a data analyst, but most of the people are asking that which course I have done, because in that video I have mentioned that I have done a course and after that I get a job out of that. To be very honest, I just wanted to clear out this myth first of all, because I don't think this is a right question to ask to anybody. Because what you guys are thinking right now is course is something which is giving you a job, but that is not the case. Course is just a tool which is helping you in some way, but it's not a guarantee. I will today talk about more in detail of as a student what was my experience with the course, and now since I'm collaborating with a couple of other edtech sector to give the data analytics training, so how my experience has changed from one side to another. So first of all, as I have mentioned, course is just a tool to get you to somewhere, but it is not something which you can give you a guarantee. Because see, what people think is they will get enrolled in that course, they will sit for 5 months, after that they will get a job and a very smooth and happy life. That is not the case. You are just viewing the story of that specific person who get the job out of that entire course. But I was the only one who get enrolled in that data analyst role? No, that was not the case. There was somewhere around 250 students, which was a part of my batch, and out of which only 3 people were able to clear that exam. So what the entire course has, the understanding is that you will take the live classes, you will sit for an exam. Once you clear that exam, then only they will start interviewing you for the company. So first of all, that exam was too hard that no one able to crack that in the first attempt. So there was, I think, 3 or 5 attempts, but out of those 250 students, only 3 were able to crack that exam first of all. So now you can automatically try to understand कि कितना % of the people are able to get even a call from a company, right? After that, the market was bad at that time. So the job opportunities which we were getting, like those 3 people were getting, that was not core data analytics. They were more into the marketing and the HR, and then they are asking you to some of the analyst side of it. And since we are from the BCom or from a different degree, they are not considering it. That course helped me to build a consistency, a discipline that I want to pursue this thing. I will be learning about it, but that is not something which is only the thing which is kind of helping me in that case. So first of all, this thing should be very, very clear in your mind. वो X course करके, it is not necessary that you guys will also be in the same position. Maybe you will be better than me. Maybe you will be not as fine as in a data analyst role, to be very honest. Now the question is, since I have explained a very worst side of it, so how you guys is going to pick the course in that sense. So there are few parameters which you have to consider. अब हमें ये बात पता चल गई है कि आउट ऑफ 250 स्टूडेंट मे बी आप सिर्फ उसकी स्टोरी सुन रहे हो जो कि पॉजिटिव स्टोरी है, कंपनी भी उसकी स्टोरी सुनाएगी आपको जो पॉजिटिव है. तो आपको क्या करना है कि यू विल जस्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लुक फॉर दोज पीपल हु आर द एलुमनाई ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर बैच और कोर्स. सो अगर आप देखोगे कि लिंक्डइन पे जनरली लोग पोस्ट करके रखते हैं कि दे हैव डन द बिजनेस एनालिस्ट कोर्स फ्रॉम एक्स कंपनी, वाई कंपनी और जेड कंपनी, एंड यू विल जस्ट टॉक टू दोज पीपल, आस्क फॉर देयर फीडबैक, राइट, कि उनको कैसा लगा पढ़ के, क्या हेल्प मिली एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सेकेंड थिंग इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द फ्यू पीपल, बिकॉज सी एक्सपीरियंस स्टूडेंट्स का चेंज हो सकता है व्हेन द ट्यूटर इज चेंजिंग. एडटेक सेक्टर का की पैरामीटर यही है कि आपको पढ़ा कौन रहा है, राइट? आपने ए कंपनी में एनरोल तो कर लिया, पहले कोई टीचर पढ़ा रहा था जो कि गूगल में डेटा एनालिस्ट है, अब आपको कोई टीचर पढ़ा रहा है जो बी कंपनी में कोई डेटा एनालिस्ट है. तो उन दोनों का एक्सपीरियंस डिफरेंस हो सकता है, उन दोनों का टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस डिफरेंस हो सकता है गूगल वाला बंदा सिर्फ नाम से गूगल से है, बट उसको पढ़ाने का इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. But that second person has a good experience in terms of teaching. And same is the case as me, because whatever classes I have taken so far, the experience and the feedback which I have get from the student is that I teach really well. Because since I'm from the non-technical background, so I understand the pain point. अगर कोई BTech वाला बंदा पढ़ाता है तो उसको लगता है अरे इनको array तो समझ में आता ही होगा, data type तो पता ही होगा, but हमें नहीं पता होता because हम उस बैकग्राउंड से नहीं आए हैं. इन सब चीजों का बहुत डिफरेंस क्रिएट हो जाता है डिफरेंट कोर्सेज पे. आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि उस कोर्स में अगर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का डेटा एनालिस्ट पढ़ा रहा है या गूगल का डेटा साइंटिस्ट पढ़ा रहा है तो वो कोर्स अच्छा ही होगा. So these are also some things which you have to take into the consideration. So first of all, you will check with the alumni, at least 10-15 लोगों से बात करो जो सेम कंपनी से सेम कोर्स में पढ़े हुए हैं. उसके बाद ट्राई टू कंपेयर द फैकल्टी, लाइक कौन सी फैकल्टी पढ़ा रही है. बात करो कि अगर आप डेमो क्लास ले सकते हो तो हर कोर्स में डेमो क्लास लेके देखो, जिससे आपको पता चलेगा कौन सी फैकल्टी किस तरीके से पढ़ाती है. सो दीज आर द फर्स्ट फ्यू थिंग्स विच यू हैव टू understand. Okay, now the next thing is don't compare yourself with someone else success story. उस बंदे ने वो कोर्स किया, 1 साल के बाद उसका 20 लाख का पैकेज लग गया. That does not mean that it's also going to be same for you. हो सकता है कि आपको 2 साल तक स्ट्रगल करनी पड़ी और फिर आपका 5 लाख का पैकेज लगा. ऑन दी अदर हैंड हो सकता है आपने 6 महीने फुल एफर्ट्स पुट इन करे और आपका 25 लाख का पैकेज लग गया. So things can be different for different people. बिकॉज इंडस्ट्री इज चेंजिंग अलॉट. हर कुछ महीने में हमारे पास कुछ नई टेक्नोलॉजी आ रही है, इस वजह से पूरा मार्केट चेंज हो जा रहा है. आपने क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स बिल्ड किए हैं, आपने प्रोजेक्ट्स कैसे डिलीवर किए हैं, आपने क्या एफर्ट्स पुट इन किए हैं, उसके बाद आप इंटरव्यू में जाके किस तरीके से आंसर कर पाते हो. ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स प्ले एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल. हो सकता है आपको और मुझे सेम एसक्यूएल का क्वेश्चन आता हो, बट आप मुझसे अच्छे से इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर पाओ. Why? Because you have more experience in terms of explaining your thoughts, you know how to crack interviews and all of these things. So this is also one of the important factor which I consider. Now the question is, what actually helping us to get a job? Is it really a course, a skill set, a certification? What I generally believe is, in the Indian market, the first thing which they consider is your college degree. And you can't fight on that part. Because see, हमारे यहाँ पर ये समझा जा रहा है कि टीयर 1 कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग वेरी गुड बिकॉज वो एक एग्जाम क्रैक करके आते हैं, उसके बाद उनको जो फैकल्टी मिलती है उनका माइंड ऑलरेडी शार्प होता है एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस ड्रामा. But to be very honest, I don't believe in that because I have interviewed some NIT and IIT people now and it's just about the exposure, to be very honest. Since वो एक अच्छी IIT NIT से पढ़े हुए हैं तो उनका जो alumni base है वो अच्छा है, तो उनको उन चीजों का बहुत पहले से पता चल जाता है वर्सेस अ टीयर 3 और अ टीयर 4 कॉलेज. सबके पास सारी नॉलेज अवेलेबल है. अगर आप गूगल का अच्छे से यूज कर रहे हो, यूट्यूब अच्छे से स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो, तो यू हैव इनफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. बट अगर हम रिज्यूमे वाली बात करते हैं तो ये फैक्टर आएगा ही आएगा. उसके बाद सेकंड इज, लोग देखते हैं कि आपने कहाँ से पढ़ा है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं बीकॉम हूँ तो मैंने डेटा एनालिटिक्स कहाँ से सीखा है, ऑब्वियसली लोग ये जानना चाहेंगे, राइट? बिकॉज उनको सबको पता है कि मेरी कॉलेज का ये पार्ट नहीं था. So then my course will also play an important role. And then the certifications. For example, I am a Microsoft certified Power BI data analyst. So in that case, that PL 300 certification which I will have in my resume, that will be an edge for me. So I suggest focus on the things which is in your control. College में आपने admission already ले लिया है, नहीं लिया है, तो आप इस चीज पे फोकस कर सकते हो कि जिसका एलुमनाई बेस अच्छा हो, जहाँ पर आपको एक्सपोजर ज्यादा अच्छा मिल सकता है. वर्सेस सेकंड थिंग इज, अच्छे कोर्स में आप रह सकते हो जहाँ पर जिस कोर्स के लोग ऑलरेडी किसी अच्छी जगह पर प्लेस हुए हैं वो आप कर सकते हो बिकॉज दे विल हेल्प यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ द रेफरल पार्ट. थर्ड थिंग इज, सर्टिफिकेशंस पे आप लोग फोकस कर सकते हो. एक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट सर्टिफिकेशन कर सकते हो, आप गूगल सर्टिफिकेशन कर सकते हो. दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सेंस. सो देयर इज वन थिंग व्हिच आई वांट टू मेंशन ओवर हियर इज अ गुड कोर्स, a consistent mindset, a daily practice, and a good environment, and the best interview preparation. The combination of all of this is going to help you to get a better job or maybe a chance of getting placed, I would say, because job को कोई किसी को guarantee नहीं करा सकता, right? So it's all related to getting a better chance in that particular circumstances. So that is how the things will work. Now, here I want to highlight one more thing because since I have mentioned that I am right now giving, training related to data analytics, so some people come to me and ask, आप खुद पढ़ाते हो क्या, आपका कोई खुद का कोर्स है? So I don't sell my course, any course as of now. The reason behind that is I'm already doing some job and some, freelancing thing. So I don't have the time. But I am collaborating with a couple of edtech sector which I feel that they are doing really good. So Uttam Education is one of them, where I am taking the Excel part of it. I am not doing any marketing, to be very honest. I'm just highlighting this for all those people who say that they want to learn from me, they wanted to have the classes with me. So this one-on-one classes is not something which might be suitable for you because that is going to be a little bit costly. So if you feel that you wanted to learn from me, so you can enroll in that course. Again, do your own research, check with the other faculties. I can only give you the guarantee of the part which I am teaching. So that is one of the case. So in the last of this particular video, I just wanted to highlight one thing. The only thing which will take you far in this journey is the right mindset. So if the mindset is, I will buy this course and I will get a job, no, that is not going to happen. The mindset should be that I will buy this course, I will learn from it, I will enhance my skill set, and this particular thing, the efforts which I am putting in terms of doing this, that is giving me the chance to get a better job opportunity. So अगर आप ये चीज करके रखोगे तो definitely you will get something out of that. So hard work is important, and also just pick the right course which you feel that it's going to helpful for you. If you feel that you are self-motivated person and you can learn through the YouTube also, fine with that. Just learn from YouTube, maybe do some certification which is going to validate your skill set, but you can do that as well. So there is no problem. Okay, so now let's quickly revise like whatever we have seen. So how you are going to evaluate a good course. So based upon the updated curriculum, वो लोग क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, उनके mentors कौन है, experiences, उनके alumni base आप check करोगे कि कौन सा स्टूडेंट्स ने पढ़ा है, वो कहाँ पर प्लेस है, उनको कैसे हेल्प मिली थी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, किस टाइप के प्रोजेक्ट्स वो लोग करा रहे हैं, कोई मंथली या वीकली कोई टेस्ट कराते हैं क्या, इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन में वो आपकी क्या हेल्प कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद अगर उनका बैच साइज क्या है, अगर आपको लगता है ये आप थोड़े छोटे बैच में पढ़ सकते हो तो ये भी आप देख सकते हो, आपको जो प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे वो कैसे वो सॉल्व करेंगे, क्योंकि कुछ कंपनीज क्या होती है वो वेबिनार मोड में पढ़ाती हैं, आप अपने क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली नहीं पूछ सकते हो. सो इस तरीके की चीजें हैं जो आप चेक कर सकते हो बिफोर गोइंग इनटू दैट, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली सेल्स पर्सन आके तो आपसे ये बोलेंगे कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स का प्लेसमेंट यहाँ हो गया है और इतनी बड़ी कंपनी में हो गया. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स व्हिच यू विल डू एज अ क्वालिटी चेक. द फाइनल मैसेज फ्रॉम माय साइड इज think twice before spending your hard-earned money. Check with a lot of people. If you still are interested in knowing which course I have done, so that is done from the Unacademy re-level, and that course was costed me somewhere around 70,000 or 65,000. I don't remember the exact amount, but I remember that they have increased the price to 3x once we have graduated. So it was back in 2022. I have checked their website recently, but I don't think that website exists now. So I think they have closed the operations for that particular part of it. But still, if you want to check it, you can go ahead and do that. But yes, I just wanted to say this once again. That course helped me to, feel consistent and, work towards the data analytics, but that is not the only part of it. So just choose wisely and stay tuned. If you have any question, just put that in the chat box. I will take that question in the next video. Thank you so much.
Perfect.